Chain drive, installation, and alignment. The drive sprocket will be connected to the motor shaft using a taper lock bushing. 3 bolts are used to draw the split bushing into the tapered bore of the sprocket, causing it to tighten onto the shaft. The bolts should always be installed so that they pass through a clearance hole of the first part and then enter a threaded hole in the next part. The bolts can be installed from either side, but must always pass through a clearance hole first. This ability allows the bolts to be accessible whether the sprocket is installed with the bushing on the outside or on the inside of the sprocket. Install the sprocket/hub assembly onto the motor shaft and install the keystock. The bolts should be tightened gradually and evenly until the sprocket is secure on the shaft. Repeat the procedure for the driven sprocket on the gearbox input shaft. Make sure there is adequate clearance between the sprocket and the gearbox housing. Tighten the bolts gradually and evenly. Use a straight edge to check alignment. It may be necessary to slide one of the sprockets on its shaft to get them into alignment. Once you are satisfied with the rough alignment, retighten the bolts to secure the sprocket in position. Double-check alignment to ensure nothing has shifted. Thanks for watching. Visit industrialmaintenancetraining.com for more resources and connect with our customer service team anytime at sales@mstservices.net. We look forward to helping you succeed.